What's up guys, this is your man Gidkay and I'm back again with another exciting video. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to apply the discount code to get a 30% discount on every product that you purchase on our digital store. So I'm going to leave the link in the description below or on our bio on YouTube. Yes, so this is how our store interface looks. We have our Instagram link over here that you can hit us up if you encounter any problem or issues. And then this is where you can change your currency. So if you're in Nigeria, you're in Ghana, you're in or use dollars, you're in let's say Canada, US. Yes. And then you have if you're in London too, that's the UK, yes, you can still purchase. Yeah, if you're in Tanzania, anywhere, CFA and so on. Yes, so let's dive right into it. So you could see I have tons of digital products which is going to elevate your editing skills. Yes, so firstly I'm going to talk about the advanced gidkay retouching pack. Yes, you can get that one for yourself. It works very good. Yes, and then we have the 100 plus rich skin tone gradient maps, which is going to elevate or make your skin tones much richer. Yes, so secondly I have an editing course which is also down into the discount. Yes, so this is named the ultimate photo editing course by gidkayphotography. It's a video course which has lots of topics that you're going to learn from. Yes, so it comes with a whole content menu. So this is what you are going to learn. Yes, so once you select a product you want to purchase, all you have to do is just click buy now, and then you fill in the necessary details. So from here it's asking for your full name, so I'm going for Gideon. Yes, and then my email, I'm going to go for gidkayphotography, so and so. And then you point, this is this should be your country code. So wherever you find yourself, you input your country code over here, and then you type in the following numbers, I mean your telephone number. Yes, for any follow-up or anything else. Yes, all right, so this is where everything works out. So if you have a coupon code, you just click here. So once you click here, this small pop-up menu is going to open, and then let me show you guys how to retype the discount code. So the discount code is gidkay 2024. Yes, but there's something tricky in here. So once you type the gidkay, it's capital G, small I, small d, and another capital K, small a, small y. Then you just add 2024, and that's all. Then you apply it. So yes, you could see the price was $35.26, but after applying the discount or the coupon code, it's reduced to $26.91. Yes, guys, you have to take your chances, and then this course is going to help you, especially for beginners and then amateurs. Yes, so once you're done, you just click on pay now, and then it gives you the necessary to apply all that. Yes, it doesn't end there. You can go back and then walk through some of our digital products. So I have the quick retouch action, which is going to help you retouch very fast, especially if you have tons of image to retouch. Yes, so same thing applies to this. You click on buy now. Let me take off this from our cart and then go to checkout. So in here too, I'm going to put in my details, Gideon, email, and then number as well. Yes, and then if you have the coupon code, you click on it and then you apply it, and then from $10.58 it reduced to $8.42. Yes, and then you just click on pay now. So there is a promo going for 30 days. That's a whole month. So I want to take your chances and then try out our digital courses. It's another way of also giving out to the community, and our way of doing this promo is also saying we appreciate the love you guys give out there. Yes, so if you want to know more about this product, here it goes. Yes, so let me go down to the advanced gidkay retouch, which is really good if you want to retouch faster using frequency separation. Yes, so these are some of the images that are going to get as a result using the advanced gidkay retouching pack. and it's going for only just $17.63. So you just have to click on buy now. Let's take out, and then we check it out. So we fill in the details: Gideon, gidkay retouching, gidkay photography, email, and then our telephone number. Then you apply the code here once again. So if you visit the store and then you apply, no need to retype it all over. So the code is JID capital KAY 2024. Then you apply it, and then it moves from 13. It moves from $17.63 to $13.7. Isn't it amazing? So guys, go check it out and then take your chances and then grab this package. Yes, that will be all for today's video. If you have any challenges or you have any questions, just type it down below and I'm going to attend to it. Until the next video, peace out.